Is there anything else you would tell anybody else on this call who is looking or aspiring to do something comparably to what you're doing? Is there any other feedback, advice you would give them at all?
And I would just say, master an instrument. You know, find out what instrument works best, and moves best for your trading style. Is it Forex? Is it crypto? Is it indices? What fits you better? But once you get good at mastering the instrument that you're trading, get consistent at remaining profitable. And like this golden straight, that's a lot of money just from those two moves right there. I mean, that's a lot of money, and it still has room to go. You'll be able to just see the matrix eventually and just see it.
I think that brings up a good question, hopefully, that maybe you can answer for people, is how do you deal with over trading? So you just said you work from home, and my opinion is a lot of people overtrade. My opinion is people don't know when to just look and watch and hang out, and they get so jumpy. Even on these calls, they're like, when is she gonna call a trade? Go look at a trade. And I'm like, we're not here for that. We're here to like hang out for a minute. Let's just watch. Let's hang out. How do you deal with that? And what would you tell somebody else who's listening to this, to not trade?
I had to learn that the hard way myself, over trading. I would, man, it's kind of hard because, everyone's different, and I think it's gonna be up to that person of whether they really want to be serious, trading or not, and be serious about, being consistent and earning profits. And because only then, when you really are really ready to be serious about trading, then I think is when you're gonna really, stop over trading. Otherwise, I'm not sure it's anything that anybody could say that could help somebody that's over trading stop doing it. It's like, even for me, I didn't even stop over trading until I just got tired of losing, giving all my money back to the market.
We don't talk often enough about the motives behind why, the whys behind it all. But some of you guys are seeing a $20, increase on a $300 account, let's just say a $30 increase on a $300 account. That's not bad. That's 10%. I mean, that's a 10% growth. Now, $30 doesn't cover what you spent at Shoe Carnival. It doesn't cover the wine you had at lunch with your girlfriend yesterday, but $30, 10% matters. So going back to the trade journal idea, and getting good and getting sincere at saying, wait, this is only 10%, but 10% on a $30 account versus 10% on a $30,000 account, 10% on a $100,000 account, you keep getting 10% and you're actually willing to stick with it and don't get greedy and don't overtrade. It doesn't take that many trades to take that couple $100 account to 30,000 to 100,000, and then your result and your gain for the same thing is no longer $30. It's $3,000. It's no longer $30. It's it's a lot of money.
I mean, the signals work. I mean, you just saw it when I was talking earlier. Miss Jeannie was pointing to that arrow. There was a signal that said "bah," and it met the rules, and it was beautiful. And it's still going up now. I mean, that's a buttload of pips. So I hope you caught that. Like, it's easy. I mean, and just get your money and be done. The best mentors on the planet, the best group. Whatever, you have everything you need to win and make this money.